Mayday, mayday, mayday.
Smoker, pushing the hold it out.
Alpha Kilo, we're now, and then the next inbound in the hold. We like it.
1 Alpha Kilo here. Since back protect.
Airbus A350, it is starting to be popular in the long-haul market. With more and more airlines taking delivery of the aircraft, they are starting to trust the A350 more than the Boeing 787-9. Although we are yet to see the A350 dominate the medium short-haul market, I believe that we won't see this happen anytime soon. However, Singapore Airlines, they believe that the A350 can serve their regional routes optimally. On June 3rd, Singapore Airlines will start flying the A350-900 to Kolkata. The airline will be replacing their older A330. It is unlikely to see the A350 flying for more than 5 hours. However, the airline knows that there is demand on this route, hence this is the reason why they are deploying the A350. Singapore Airlines is the second biggest largest operator of the A350, and this flight to Kolkata might see a brand new A350 be chosen to service this route. The aircraft that will be flying to Kolkata will feature 40 business class seats configured in 1-to-1. And the economy class cabin has configuration of 33 class seats, which will be able to carry more than 260 passengers. In total, this plane will be able to carry 303 passengers. A350 on its own, it is a spacious aircraft, and passengers traveling to Kolkata will have the best experience. David Lim, General Manager in India of Singapore Airlines, said, "With the commencement of the Airbus A350 services, Kolkata becomes our third Indian point to receive this aircraft type. Singapore Airlines' latest regional cabin product, combined with award-winning in-flight service, will provide our Eastern travelers enhanced comfort and unparalleled travel experience." For Singapore Airlines, India is their regional market, and the airline believes that the A350 provides more value to this market. Hence, they will be deploying the A350 as their third destination. For Singapore Airlines, India is their regional market, and the airline believes that the A350 provides more value to this market. Hence, it is going to become the third destination for the aircraft in India. However, this is surprising from them. I wonder why didn't they choose the A330neo to operate their regional routes. To this day, the airline has no order of the Airbus A330neo on order, and I believe that the airline could have at least ordered 20 or 30 A330neos for regional destinations. Getting back to the story of the A350, this aircraft will operate a daily service from the 3rd of June to June 8. From the 10th of June 2019, Singapore Airlines will operate 4 weekly flights on this aircraft type. Let me take this opportunity to thank you for watching my video. Also feel free to hit the like button and also engage with me within the comment section, and also support my channel by subscribing to World Star Aviation.